The Berry couple, Derek and Jessica Berry, owns the famous restore and rescue shop Vice Grip Garage, a small Tennessee family-based garage. But the truth is, it has now grown to at least a medium-level company. But did you know that the garage was originally based in Minnesota? The early viewers might already be aware of the reason, but for those who don't know, they made the move because of the cost of living, and Derek also wanted to spend more time with his family. Another big reason was that they wanted an outdoor location with milder temperatures to produce content year-round. Now let's get to know the Berry family. Derek Berry family. Derek and Jessica have been together for more than 2 decades and married for more than 15 years. They are parents to 3 boys, 2 of which turned 13 just on March 17, 2023. They are both honor roll students and play football in the school. You can just see from this Instagram post how proud Jessica is of them. However, not much information like their names or other personal details has been made public, likely due to privacy issues. So, we should respect that wish and not try to poke our noses into that matter too much. As for Jessica and Derek, there is plenty of information on them. They got married on July 19, 2008. They met each other in their college days, but the nitty-gritty details haven't been publicized. As fellow car enthusiasts, they started Vice Grip Garage together and are the co-owners of the business and YouTube channel. Both of them love collecting and repairing old cars, so they started the shop, which has helped them in pursuing the same interests and careers. As the co-owners, they have continued exploring many opportunities which have elevated their work. Jessica is a familiar face among the viewers as she often appears in the videos and helps out the shop when Vice Grip Garage roadworthy rescues needed. She also plays a vital role in the TV series Roadworthy Rescues, which follows Derek Berry on the journey to seek out abandoned cars and get them running on the road. The series aired on Motor Trend on September 28, 2022, and ended with a total of 8 episodes. It did really well, considering that it got a 9 out of 10 rating on IMDb, which is a lot when compared to other similar TV series. And as such, it has already been confirmed the series will be getting Season 2, so many fans are really excited by the news. What we have noticed is there have been many searches for Vice Grip Garage lawsuit. However, there doesn't seem to be any legal lawsuit around Derek and any Vice Grip Garage team members. Perhaps people are searching for the 65 Vice Grip Garage 65 C10 lawsuit. It's a large classic C10 truck that Derek owns, which many think is the classiest and most vintage truck that he has. Derek has been constantly working on the truck and even made several videos on the truck. You can check the videos on his channel. However, there was one bad thing that did happen to Vice Grip Garage. Vice Grip Garage bad news and theft. During the time around March 29 to April 3, 2022, someone trespassed into Derek's South Central Tennessee property and stole a Boreal carburetor and also made a mess of things. But for the Berry family, it was deeper than just being robbed. They were terrified. Thus, they made a $5,000 reward for anyone who could find the information leading to the arrest and prosecution of the person responsible for the theft. It's already been over a year since that incident, but still, there hasn't been any development in this case. It's certainly scary to think that a thief who stole your property and left the family terrified is running around in open. Thankfully, no other such thing happened to Derek and Vice Grip Garage's crew since then. Future of Vice Grip Garage. With the announcement of Roadworthy Rescues Season 2, fans are eagerly waiting to see what new challenges Derek will take on next. The team has hinted at more exciting episodes featuring rare classic cars, forgotten trucks, and unique roadside rescues. In addition to TV shows and YouTube, there's also speculation that Vice Grip Garage might expand into merchandise, tools, and even a bigger restoration facility in the future. Given their growing popularity, this seems very likely. Latest Vice Grip Garage. As for now, they have been uploading videos on their YouTube channel and been doing the restoration job. With that, we've come to the end of this video. What are your thoughts on Vice Grip Garage and its robbery incident? Do comment on what your thoughts are. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you like the video, and stay tuned for more.